good morning, team. Today is December 1st. Let's start off with the watch list. We're starting off with Netflix. Netflix has an overall step and staircase pattern. Watch for the break of 314, and then we can start basically pushing up towards 330. On the downside, you want to watch for the break of 300, and we can start getting down towards 280 over here. If you jump down towards the 20-day, you can see that even the 20-day is a little bit more on the overbought side on the RSI. Definitely want to watch to see if we get good confirmation for the breakout of that 314, which was also the 20-day high. So watch out for that as well. Next stock we're going to jump down to is Apple. Looking at Apple, Apple has uptrended as well, especially yesterday after Powell's speech. The market took it in a positive light. So let's see if all the bullishness holds up. Overall, look at Apple for the break of 149. Then we can start going to 151 and higher, or watch for a break of 147. Then we can start going to 145 and lower. RSI is a little bit more on the overbought side, but anything can happen. Jumping over towards Tesla, looking at Tesla. Tesla actually had a bullish spike as well off of Powell's information yesterday. So I want to see if Tesla's going to hold these levels. Want to watch Tesla. Let me jump over towards the 180 day. Tesla's right below the 180 day SMA. So we want to watch to see if it breaks at least 204. And then we can start basically pushing up towards 213, which was a previous support. Or to the downside, want to watch to see if it breaks below at least like 191, and then we could start basically going down towards like the 180 levels. So watch out for Tesla, a little bit more on the overbought side, but you never know. Could reject the SMA, come down, or break the SMA and start trending up. Last but not least, let's go to SPY. So one thing I want to show you guys, one of my favorite charts is that 1 year chart. That 1 year chart was crossed over for the bullishness since last month on the 13th. So not even last month, October 13th, we've been basically crossed up on a bullish trend. So you can see that on the MACD, you can see that on the RSI. That's why they always say the best time to buy is when the 1 year is oversold, and then you get that 1 year crossover in the MACD, and then you get that overall uptrend. Right now, we haven't got fully overbought on the 1 year, so I do think we could possibly have some more upside. If you're looking at the RSI and kind of guesstimate how far it could go, we could even push up towards maybe 415, maybe even 420 levels. So let's see what overall happens, but I do think upside is in potential looking at these charts over here. So looking at the 180 day today's levels, you want to watch, you want to see if we break yesterday's high. If we jump down towards a smaller chart, you can see we hit a high of 409, and we actually double top pulling back from there right now. But we want to see if we break that 409 today or 410 to be safe. Once we start to break 410, we can start basically pushing up towards 416, which was a previous major resistance level back in September. And then we basically had a major pullback. But want to see what's going to overall happen. Jumping down towards the 20-day. 20-day MACD looks like it has already crossed over. It's a little bit more on the overbought side, but if we do basically fail to make a new high, watch to see if we break the 20-day EMA line over here, and then we could basically start pulling back from 407 down towards those 404 levels, which was a previous basically support zone before. We kind of gapped up pretty quick. So if we do start to give any of this back up, we could basically fall hard today. So let's see what happens. Hopefully we hold, but keep an open mind for both possible outcomes. Set your alerts. That's going to be it for today. Make sure you guys use a stop loss. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.